Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about top 3 websites for dropshipping business. In this video we will talk about the best platform for dropshipping business in 2022. So subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also press the bell icon. So if you want to learn e-commerce dropshipping business, then I will recommend you to watch my previous videos. In previous videos, I have explained in detail all about e-commerce dropshipping business. So in today's video, we will talk about the top 3 dropshipping business websites. The number 1 is Amazon. The number 2 is Shopify. The number 3 is eBay. We will not count Alibaba as a dropshipping business because people trades in bulk. So we will remain to this Amazon, Shopify and eBay. In previous months and years, everybody know that Amazon is the top and backbone of the dropshipping business. Almost all the platforms are running behind Amazon. But in recent past, there is a huge decline in sales of Amazon according to records. People are now purchasing from direct websites because all around the world people are using social media, so the website creators are promoting their websites through ads and they generate heavy sales through social media by creating promotion ads. So if you are new in this field and willing to start dropshipping business, then I will recommend you to start an online website instead of Shopify or Amazon. You can have the services of website developers from Fiverr.com. Here you can easily find different website creators with different prices. You can select by yourself anyone for your website. According to my point of view, website is easier than Shopify or Amazon because you can manage everything here by yourself. You can open and close your store on your own timings. So I will recommend to all the new dropshippers to start their own websites for dropshipping business. Let me know in comments what do you think about this. I am waiting for your comments. So in future we will talk about how to create websites and how to get services from Fiverr or other freelancing platforms for website creation. Also we will talk in details about e-commerce and freelancing because this is my field and I am working on 3 to 4 projects at the moment. So subscribe to my channel, also press the bell icon for my latest updates. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye for now.